Which has a background. If we look closely, Ishe, it's not completely black. There are these the blurred and slightly blurred white spots that catch the eye. There is a section here on the cheeks, meaning a contrastor on the edge of the frame. And I would like to make all this black, but it would look quite elegant. You can darken all of this in various ways. I have tried different methods. Overall, this is normal in any editor, especially with Photoshop, and it's huge variety of tools. The same action with the same result can be achieved in various ways. Which one will be most convenient for you? Which one will be the fastest and shortest? It also depends on, let's say, your mood, your style, your habit. But there are many methods available. Well, here's how you can also achieve black background shading in various ways. The most convenient option that I found is the following. Now, I will explain the step-by-step algorithm of actions to you and demonstrate it on the screen myself. We need to first create a duplicate of the background we are working with, a complete copy of it, which will be displayed and positioned above the main one. We double-click or right-click on our layer. Create a duplicate layer. We can name it something there. Here it appears for us, exactly the same image. Next, press the image, correction, replace color. The cursor takes on the appearance of a pipette. We select the black areas, then we click on the space of the black background behind the teeth, and here in this thumbnail we see in a white shade what is highlighted in black and what is not highlighted. We can adjust the dispersion of the selection. I usually set the dispersion a bit higher so that it includes the area that is similar in color and brightness, but not exactly the same as what I am selecting. For example, this area of the cheek, which is also in the frame, and we also want to make it black. It is quite dark, but not completely black, so it needs to be highlighted, and we need to increase the dispersion. As you can see, the gums are also slightly highlighted. But we will deal with that separately later. We have selected what we needed, and now we pull the brightness slider all the way down to 100. Okay. At our place, you see the background has darkened. But in addition to that, we have also darkened further here on the right side. So if we now toggle the visibility of this new layer that we added, we can see that the darkening has occurred on the object as well. Now we need to remove this darkening. There are different ways to remove it, though the easiest, in my opinion, is to use the eraser tool. This tool is like an eraser. We select this tool, and it has the same properties as the brush. We increase the pressure level to 100 or around 90. We also increase the size to a larger one, something like this. We can leave the hardness at 50%. We erase on the second layer everything that was crossed out. To check ourselves, which we turn on and off the visibility of our second layer where the background was darkened, and we see that everything turned out pretty cool. Look at the perfect boundary of the teeth with a black background. it isn't jagged as it would be if we try to select it with the magic wand tool or the quick selection brush tool. Which allows us to highlight objects there. The border becomes much smoother and more attractive, and despite the fact that currently in this presentation and explanation of each step, the time spent on darkening the background of this particular school of photo was probably not insignificant. If we don't comment on it, it becomes very quick, literally, I don't know, 10, 12 seconds. Let's try again with some other image. Let's try with this one. Although here the black background is quite homogeneous. It's not the best example, but we can actually take the same photo. Beginning of the year of the procedure. Here is our photo as it was. And now I am starting with the formation of the duplicate layer. I will perform all these actions, but without comments. Calculate how much time it takes. That's it. It literally takes 10-12 seconds. It is quite fast and results in a uniform, homogeneous black background.